Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to hide Telegram notifications on Android lock screen. So let's get started. So if you want to hide your Telegram notifications on your Android lock screen, now to do that what you have to do is just simply open up your settings application. After opening up your settings application, now in search bar you can search for lock screen. And after searching for lock screen, now you'll find the lock screen inside your display. So simply tap on lock screen. After tapping on that, now you'll find notifications on lock screen option. So what you have to do is just simply tap on it and then tap on don't show notifications at all. And after doing that, none of the notifications will be displayed in your lock screen. So unfortunately we don't have option to customize it, but if you can find that option, then what you can do is just simply customize your notifications to Telegram only. So in some devices you might find the customized notifications, but in my device unfortunately I don't have that option. So if you can find it, then what you can do is just simply go ahead and then customize it, and then you will block the notifications for your Telegram on your home screen. So that's it guys, this is how to hide Telegram notifications on Android lock screen. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.